Want to unblock someone on Messenger quickly? Watch this. Open the Messenger app on your device. Look at the bottom right corner and tap the hamburger icon. Next, tap on the settings gear icon. Here, you will see different options. Select Privacy and Safety. Scroll to the Who Can Reach You section. Tap on Blocked Accounts. The accounts list will appear. Click on the username you want to unblock. After that, at the bottom, tap Unblock and confirm the pop-up message. And that's it. Alternate method. If you haven't deleted the chat, go to the Chats page. Then, tap on the username. This will open the chat screen. At the bottom, tap Unblock. A pop-up will appear. Click Unblock, then confirm the message. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.